Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to take your old PowerPoint slides and give them a fresh look in a new template, today's video is perfect for you. I'll show you a super simple way to copy slides from an old presentation into a new template step by step, so your content looks updated and professional without starting from scratch. Let's dive in preparation. First, make sure you have both your old presentation and the new template open in PowerPoint. You want to have them ready so transferring your slides is smooth and quick. Access the tool. Now in your new template, head up to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to add new content. Initiate slide or I use. Under the Insert tab, click on New Slide. In the drop-down menu, select Reuse Slides. This feature is a lifesaver because it lets you pull slides from any existing presentation directly into your current one. Locate the source file. A pane will pop up on the right side of your screen. Click the Browse button in this pane. This lets you find the old presentation that has the slides you want to bring over. Select and open. Navigate to the file, select it, and click Open. You'll now see thumbnail previews of all the slides from your old presentation right in that pane. This is where the magic happens. Transfer slides. Simply click on the slides you want, and they'll automatically appear in your new template. If you want to keep the original formatting, check the option at the bottom of the pane. Otherwise, the slides will adopt the new template's style. Repeat this for all the slides you need, and just like that, your old content gets a fresh new look. And there you have it! A fast, easy way to copy slides from an old presentation into a new template without losing your content or design. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.